Hello Kunomailers and welcome to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I want to show you how you can restore or backup your Kunomail client. You go here to File and then to Kunomail Backup. Now in the new window here, Kunomail Backup and Restore, you have to set a password and repeat it. Now you can back up your Kunomail and choose here the following settings: email accounts, email, your local folders, and your personal data, your personal settings. Before you start the backup, you can analyze the space which is required. Okay, in my case, it is about 280 megabytes. And now here you click then on Start and the backup starts. If you want to restore your Kunomail, you click just here on Restore. Then you choose your last backup file, type in your password, and start here the restore. I can start for you now the backup. I choose all settings and then start backup. Now the system asks me where I want to save my backup. I say here to downloads and then save it, and the backup starts. That's all. I hope you enjoyed the video and keep on mailing. Your Kunomail team from Berlin. Bye.